Hello, we are gonna do a little bird out of paper. The first thing we need is to turn this rectangle into a perfect square. All you have to do is fold the paper like this, being careful to go exactly to the border of the paper, and then when you finish this part, you cut what's remaining out. You can do it with the scissors, but I prefer to do it just with my hands like this. And pull, and you'll get a very straight line. Next, you fold in half and in half again, like this and like this. When you finish this, you open everything again and you'll see a cross that we did without needing a pencil or a ruler, but is perfectly straight. Then you fold the corners inside, right to the center, like this. You do the same with the four corners. You should be as precise as you can. I wasn't too precise, but it's okay. As long as you don't go too much far away, it's okay. Then you fold again, half and half again, and now you have this diamond shape with four corners on one of the parts. I only have the four corners in this part. If you see here, I have two corners, one corner, and here you have four. You fold two of the corners to one side and the other two to the other side. And this is the interesting part of origami. All we did is to draw lines on the paper, and you open it, you will see all the lines that we created, and now is when we start to do the bird. But now it's fairly simple because we have all the lines we need. You just need to fold one of the corners again inside, and then you just follow the lines that you have already done, like this and like this. You have to look at this shape, and now from here you need to save this little square thingy here. So you fold the paper following the border of the square, and you create this shape. You open this again, you do the same on the other part, exactly the same thing. Following the line of the square, you fold and you create the same shape. And now with the two things that you folded, you just push in the middle and create this shape. I'm gonna do this again. First one part, then the other part, and now with these two things you push here and they go in the correct place. And now you're done. You just need to turn it, pull here, and you finish your bird.